Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by preparing your device and triggering the initial backup. First, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the iPhone into power so the process won't be interrupted. Next, sign into your Apple ID and confirm iCloud backup is enabled. This is why iCloud knows where to save your data. Finally, verify you have enough iCloud storage. If not, purchase more storage or free up space. Once done, tap Backup Now to start the first upload. Once the backup begins, monitor progress in Settings so you know it's active and when it completes. You can manage what is included by opening iCloud storage settings and turning off individual app backups. This reduces upload size and speeds the process. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi and keep the iPhone locked and connected. Automatic backups usually run overnight. If you need to save space, delete old device backups or offload large attachments. This is why managing included data matters for successful backups. You finish by verifying the backup completed and learning a quick fix if it didn't. Check Settings to see the timestamp of the last successful backup. That confirms your data is safe. If the backup fails, restart the iPhone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and sign out then back into your Apple ID before retrying Backup Now. This resolves common authentication or network glitches. If storage is the root cause, upgrade your iCloud plan or delete old backups and large files so future backups succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.